Now, how do you change the clock on your Android device to 24-hour time, right? Let's get started. It is actually pretty simple. You just need to know where exactly to go and how to navigate it. So open up these settings on your Android phone, just click inside, and you have a bunch of different things to go through. So from the options, I want you to scroll down and find the general management right here. So you just click on general management, then you can find the date and time right there. So just click on this, and right below at the bottom we have the use 24-hour format. So if it's turned on, I mean, it's literally just one toggle, so you can enable it or disable it, and below you get a little preview. So it's like 13 o'clock, that's the 24-hour time, and if I turn it off, it switches to 1 p.m. The same thing for the top left corner, where you also have the time shown in essentially in every other place where you have the time and where you have it visible. You'll see the difference if you turn it on or off right here, because it just works system wide. So that's how it works. Outside of that, we only have the automatic time zones and the date and time, which I obviously think you should have turned on. It's much simpler, especially when you're traveling. So there is that. And also you have the 24-hour format, as I mentioned. So I'm going to wrap up the video right now. Thanks a lot for watching. I really hope that you found this tutorial helpful. Subscribe, hit a thumbs up, as I said, and I'll catch you later in the next one.